Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best concealers of 2020. Now I have a lot of concealers and I think all of these are excellent. The reason I have so many is because I prefer to use concealer as a liquid foundation when I want to use, that kind of medium. I prefer creams, but I always have preferred concealers as foundations because they're less emollient, they're less slippy, and I'm able to get a better coverage on the skin with less product, which is always the goal for me. So let's start with all my favorite concealers. This is Nars, and this is their matte concealer. It's excellent. It's a drier product, great for spot concealing and other areas of higher pigment. Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Retoucher wand. Really nice product, works incredibly well underneath the eyes or all over the face as I would prefer to use it. It's a great concealer. It's a lightweight one as well, so you're not getting massive amounts of coverage. Dior Skin Correct. This is an amazing corrector, concealer. Excellent product. Just really good. Amazing wand that goes with it. How much do you get in here? Hello. 11 mils. 11 mils. Okay, so these two are basically the same but slightly different finishes. Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics. Excellent, truly excellent. You can sheer them out with a bit of moisturizer or primer. They're excellent. Full coverage by Makeup Forever. Absolutely brilliant product. Is that it for there? Okay, so let's move on to some more liquids. Some people love or hate this. I love it. A lot of people don't like it. Double Wear Estee Lauder, the Radiant Concealer, I think is wonderful. I really love it. This is amazing. Iconic London Concealer is so good. It looks amazing on the skin. It's just so good. This camera just likes to focus on my face. What can I do? I could get another camera, but I can't. I really can't. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, excellent. I mean, it's so good. Again, all of these I would use all over the face. Don't hate me for this, but the Kylie concealer is really good. I would never rebuy it again because it cost me £1,000 just to get it into the UK. Didn't cost that much, but you get the gist. So it's not for me. Nars Radiant Cream Concealer, excellent. Better, I think, for those with a slightly normal to combination skin or oily. It's a little drier than some of the other formulas. Bobbi Brown do two amazing ones, whether it's the Skin Serum or their concealer, which is the instant full coverage. Either way, they're bloody amazing. They're really good concealers. Let me pop those back in there so I don't lose them. This is great. Laura Mercier, the Flawless Fusion. That is a beautiful concealer. Go back in. So, Laura Mercier, this is amazing. You can use this all over the entire face if you wanted to. So my one here's had a bit of an accident and it just fell out as I was picking this up, so I'm going to be quite careful. It is the Secret Camouflage. It is a dry concealer. It's very dry. Can cover scars and tattoos and all that kind of stuff on the face. But what makes it so great is you can take a small eyeshadow brush, like a blending brush, and just shoe shine it all over the skin and your skin will look beautiful. It is an incredible product. Nude by Nature do a really beautiful stick concealer. That is excellent. It's just a great product. And then there's this beautiful little one here by Rude, the Sculpting Concealer. And this is a really nice concealer on the skin. It's a really easy one. Goes great under the eyes. And of course, as mentioned, these are for all over the face or under the eyes, but they're excellent. I love concealers. I think they're one of the best things you can do for your skin is to put a few dots on and go over with a brush and you get a beautiful finish. You can then go in with a micro fine areas where you need to build up, because I prefer to use way less foundation or concealer and a lot more powder, because I always feel that powder gives a more beautiful, polished look to the skin. It prolongs the wear of your products on your face, and of course, the least amount of layers you've got, the longer the product is going to last on the skin. There you go, that's my favorite concealers. Thanks for watching. All the links and information in the description bar, and let me know what your favorite concealers are right down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.